Have you ever sat down to study, but your mind just refuses to stay still? You open your book, and suddenly your brain reminds you of 500 things. Did I reply to that message? Should I check Instagram? What if I fail? Your body is in one place, but your mind is everywhere else. And in today's world, concentration is not just a skill, it's a superpower. A superpower that very few people have mastered. In this video, we are diving deep into something that has transformed thousands of lives: mindfulness and meditation for better concentration. This is not just spirituality, this is brain science, mental training, and performance optimization used by the world's top students, CEOs, athletes, and entrepreneurs. So sit tight because by the end of this video, you will learn how to make your mind your strongest ally, not your biggest enemy. We live in the noisiest generation in human history. Every ding, vibration, notification, and reel is battling for our attention. The average attention span has dropped to just 8 seconds, less than a goldfish. Our minds keeps jumping like a monkey, from past regrets to future worries to random thoughts to pointless distractions. This restless mental state is called the monkey mind. You can sit for hours staring at your textbook, but if your mind is wandering, you will learn nothing. That's where mindfulness and meditation enter. Let me tell you a story of Rishi, a great aspirant, brilliant mind, hardworking, ambitious. But there was one problem. He couldn't concentrate. He would read one paragraph and lose it, take notes and forget what he wrote. Every small distraction would pull him away. One day, after getting frustrated with himself, he walked into his grandfather's room. His grandfather was sitting on the floor, eyes closed, breathing slowly, calm, still, peaceful. Rishi asked, Dadu, how are you able to sit still for so long? Don't your thoughts disturb you? The old man smiled and said something that changed Rishi's life. Thoughts will come, let them pass. Your job is not to fight them, your job is to return again and again to the present moment. He continued, your breath is your anchor. Whenever your mind wanders, bring it back to your breath. That's meditation. That's control. Rishi didn't understand it fully then, but he tried it. 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes, then 10. Over weeks, he started feeling the difference. His mind became lighter, his focus became sharper, his memory improved, his stress reduced. Months later, he cracked GATE with the top rank, not because he studied the most, but because he learned how to control the mind. Let's break it down scientifically. Meditation increases gray matter, especially in the areas responsible for focus, decision making, and emotional control. It reduces stress hormones. When cortisol drops, your mind becomes calm, which boosts clarity. It strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for concentration. Your memory and learning ability improve. Meditation increases hippocampus activity, improving retention. It reduces the default mode network. This is the part responsible for our thinking and mind wandering. In simple words, meditation is equal to less stress, more clarity, better focus, better memory, more productivity. No medicine, no tools, just your breath. What exactly is mindfulness? Mindfulness is not sitting in the Himalayas for hours. It simply means being fully present in this moment. When you write, write. When you study, study. When you walk, walk. When you eat, eat. No multitasking, no overthinking, just awareness. Mindfulness is training your mind to stay where your body is. How to meditate for better concentration. Let's keep it extremely simple. Here is a beginner friendly 5-step method that works wonders. Sit comfortably. You don't need a yoga mat or special clothes. Sit on a chair, bed, or floor. Close your eyes gently. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Focus on your breath. Feel the air entering your nose. Feel the air leaving your nose. Your mind will wander, and that's okay. Don't fight it. Don't judge it. Don't get frustrated. Gently bring your mind back again and again. This bringing back is what trains your brain. Start with 2 minutes, increase to 5 minutes, then 10, then 15. Even 10 minutes daily can change your brain. How mindfulness helps students prepare for exams. Mindfulness is a weapon for students. Here's how it helps. It helps remember concepts longer. Mindful students absorb information better. It reduces fear during exams. A calm mind performs better under pressure. It helps manage time. You stop wasting hours on distractions. It improves deep work. You can sit for a long, highly focused sessions. It increases motivation because your mind feels lighter, not overloaded. For students preparing for GATE, IIT-JEE, UPSC or any competitive exam, mindfulness is not optional, it is essential. Here are practical mindfulness exercises you can start today. The 2-minute breath reset. Before studying, close your eyes for 2 minutes. Focus only on your breath. The 5 4 3 2 1 awareness method. Identify 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, 1 you can taste. Instead grounding technique, the single task rule. Choose only one task for the next 30 minutes, no switching. Mindful walking. Walk slowly for 2 minutes. Feel your feet touching the ground. Feel the movement. Mindful eating. Don't use your phone while eating. Just enjoy the taste, the smell, the color. These small exercises build big concentration. The mindset shift. Slow down to speed up. Here's the truth. You don't need more speed. You need more clarity. When your mind is calm, you learn faster. You remember longer. You understand deeper. Mindfulness slows your mind so your brain can perform better. It's like clearing dust off a mirror. Suddenly everything becomes sharp. So here's the conclusion. Months after practicing mindfulness, Rishi said something beautiful. Earlier, I used to study with my body. Now I study with my mind. That's the power of mindfulness. Not magic, not luck, just awareness and presence. Your brain is the most powerful machine on earth, but without control, it becomes your biggest distraction. Mindfulness and meditation give you that control. So, no matter where you are, no matter how restless your mind is, remember this: your breath can bring you back, your awareness can ground you, and your practice can transform you. Start small, stay consistent, your mind will reward you. If this video helped you understand your mind better, like this video to support the channel. comment, I choose to stay mindful. Subscribe to Growth Circuit for weekly deep focus, productivity, and exam success content. Share this video with someone who needs peace and clarity today. Remember, a calm mind is an unbeatable mind.